I tell a story about Tiyo Soga. I know there was one of these white missionaries from England or Scotland or somewhere. You must know that story. And he was failing to convert people in the Eastern Cape. This white man, missionary. So he wrote an article in it was a newspaper published at King Williamstown. It was called the Kingstown Gazette or something. So he writes an article there, this missionary to say, these people who are refusing to come to Jesus are cursed. And they are going to perish as a people. So he condemns all of us who are refusing to convert. So Tiyo Soga gets fed up with this article. He decides to respond in the same newspaper. He writes a long article. And he says, now this fellow, this missionary, is talking about these people in the Eastern Cape that is trying to convert. And they're going to perish. So Tiyo Soga says, no, it's not true. I've looked at the Africans in America. I've looked at the Africans in the Caribbean. I've looked at the Africans in Latin America. I've looked at the Africans on the continent. I've looked at wherever there are Africans, nowhere are they perishing. He took the notion of the Africans that when he talks about Africans, when the white man talks about the Africans, he's talking about these natives in this village. But he says in the 1860s, no, as Africans were Pan-African. Not only Pan-African, but also the diaspora. This is us. And then he quotes this verse from the Bible, that the princes will come from Egypt and something will come from Ethiopia. He says, this white man is trying to contradict the Bible. This verse does not say anything about us perishing. So I say that you see us here who get involved in the politics more than 100 years later, if we didn't understand that our struggle here is not about our struggle in Khayelitsha. It's all of these Africans starting from New York. All of us together. It's all this notion of African unity. So Tiyo Soga would have been turning in his grave when he sees all of us saying these undocumented Africans. How can I? It's Tiyo Soga, I'm saying, responding to this white missionary. He starts talking about the Africans in the US. The Africans here, Africans everywhere. So that's the person we're celebrating.